Welcome to the Spire floor plan. This beautiful home includes 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a private den, a formal dining room, a gourmet kitchen with a granite center island and a walk-in pantry, and a large open great room, all that interact perfectly with the included backyard covered patio. The master suite of the Spire includes a private bathroom retreat with a large step-in shower, twin sinks, and a huge walk-in closet. This amazing new home also includes plenty of extra storage, a 2-bay garage, and even its own golf cart garage. And because Lennar is the one and only home builder in Phoenix to offer everything's included homes, the Spire also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.